Today's tech video, I'm going to show you how you can update your LG QNED75. Okay, on your remote control here, you'll see that there's a settings button. Go ahead and press on that. So it'll take you to this screen here. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see this sidebar here. You're going to want to click on all settings, and then this picture will come up here. You want to go to support, and then right here you'll see where it says software update. So you'll click on that. Now it gives you two different options here. One, you can click on the auto update, so that way it just automatically updates and you don't have to worry about it. Or you can check for updates here. I'm going to click on check for updates. No updates found. But this is where you would go to update your software to the latest version. Or just click on the auto update. Just like that. And then you won't ever have to worry about it. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time. And I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.